Many of the people will think that potential difference or voltage and electromotive force or EMF are one and the same. But it is true that there is a difference between voltage and EMF. In this video, we are going to learn about what is the difference between potential difference and the electromotive force. To know the details and the difference between these two, you need to watch the video. To understand the difference between voltage and EMF, let's do an experiment. Here I have two containers filled with water, and as you can see, the container A is filled with water above the center line of the container, and container B water is filled below the center line. In technical language, I would say container A having electrical potential 10 volt and container B is having electrical potential of 3 volt. Now, if I connected a small pipe in these two containers, then the water start flowing from container A to container B, that is higher potential to lower potential. Water is flowing because there is a difference in water level for both of the container. Water will now continue to flow until water level of both the container are same. Here we see water will not flowing because the water level of the both of the container are now equal. So what we understand? Difference in water level needed to make water to flow from one container to the other. In technical language, I would call the difference in water level as potential difference or voltage. Now I can modify my sentence as potential difference is needed to make electron flow from one position to the other. We are now clear about the potential difference or voltage. Potential difference or voltage are required to make electron flow from one position to the other. Now we get back to our experiment. As we can see, water level of both the container are same, so no water can flow. But what if we need to continuous flow of water? To do, let's see another experiment. In this case, reservoir A and B are at different potential. Since A is at higher potential, water flow from A to B, that is from higher to lower potential. This is difference in potential. The amount of work done to flow from A to B is regarded as potential difference. After that, again the water of reservoir B is transported to reservoir A through a pipe connection. This was not possible without the use of that motor, which is playing a very important role to transfer water from lower potential to higher potential. Hence, the motor is maintaining the difference in potential. This is an EMF for this cycle to run continuously. So, the energy required to maintain or provided to maintain the potential difference is EMF. Please note that when the circuit is open, then the EMF is equal to potential difference. When the circuit is closed with a load, then the EMF is greater than potential difference. So, EMF is the cause for potential difference. Now we can summarize the video. Potential difference or voltage makes electron to flow, while electromotive force maintain the potential difference. Now I think there is no confusion about potential difference or voltage and EMF or electromotive force. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, share with your friends. That's all for this video guys. I will see you in my next video.